Everyone, good morning everybody. So today I am going to discuss about notification center in iOS. So this is a singleton class provided by Apple for posting and sending notification like dictionary or user info and other class object to multiple screens. In this we post notification from one class or view controller and add app observer or last listener to other multiple view controllers to update value at the same time. Examples of no let's create example. We have three view controller. We have created only three view controller, 1 2 3. Okay, we have three view controller and we post notifications from three view controller and we post notification from three view controller to other update value to other two view controller update the value. Okay, so now we're gonna create on this example. First of all, one view controller, two and three view controller. Okay, now we're gonna create on this class. This is the view controller, this is the first view controller. Create on this class, this is the first view controller which have a button and label, and button and label we're gonna create a outlet. This is the label outlet. Okay, and in this button action show, this is the action show, and in this button show on this action next label, and this is the next label, and this is the next label in this first controller, second controller and third controller. Okay, now in this controller same button and label and this price. Okay, now second view controller, this is second view controller which have a button and label. This is a button and label and create a outlet button, label, button label. Okay, now we're gonna create on this price. Okay, so price, now we're gonna create on this price outlet 3, then we're gonna price IB action and okay. Now we're gonna create on the example, this is a button and update price tab to automatically update value first or second view controller price. Okay, now view controller 3 add or view controller 3 notification name and notification post. So by using notification name extension ns notification dot name extension add new functionality in existing class structure and so add notification dot name static let price update which have a notification name price update which have a key. Now we're gonna create on this key price update. Okay, now this is a method. Okay, now in this method we're gonna post a notification, notification post notification post or notification center dot default. Notification is a singleton class provided by Apple for posting and sending notification like dictionary, user info and other class object multiple screens. Okay, default dot post price update notification name dot price update. Now create on this notification name price update object name and user info price key which is user info which is type of dictionary and price key value is 30,000. Okay, now second view controller. So second view controller, this is a post notification. Second view controller observe view controller notification observe notification receive notification observe one that notification observe notification observe Okay, notification observe, and then is the notification observe, and this is used to cannot find scope. Okay, notification observe, and the notification observe notification dot center dot default. This is a single add observe method colon the add observe for notification name price update object name queue main. This is the main queue, not a global queue. This is the main queue. Notification in, this is closer about notification in, and now print on this notifications if let dict notification dot user info as typecast as a dictionary string key and value, and let price is equal to dictionary dot price key as a double cast. Price is a price which is type of double 3 point and 30.0. So self dot label dot text equal to price by using string interpolation self dot label price. Okay, now first controller add on this notification objc method by using function notification add observe by using function. So we're going to create an objc func aa and notification which is type ns notification if let dictionary notification dot user info as typecast dictionary, and let price equal to price double, and this we're going to assign on the label value. This is the label, our label that dot label dot text label, and we're going to add observe notification add observe. Okay, this is a notification dot default dot add observe self. This is a notification self selector has a notification pass on the notification selector has selector method a notification name notification price date and update. Okay, so now we're gonna run on this application and which have a breakpoint print breakpoint. Okay, we're gonna run this applications, and by using notification center just like a callback here. And so next screen first view controller, second view controller, next this is third view. Third view controller tapped on this update automatically value last two view controller first and second. So update value, no calling on this update value. So label dot text we have check on this value for price 300. Okay, update on this value. So run and notification for notification price. Okay, no value, done. We can dismiss on the sheet update 300 value, update 300 value, update on this automatically to screen, update on this automatically to screen. Okay, now which have running on the same requirement running as the further. Now we run on this application. In this we post notifications from one class or view controller and add observe or listeners to other multiple view controller to update value at the same time. So this is the label, not value. This is label. This is label. Next, this is a label. Next, and update button price. So automatically change on this label value. To view controller automatically change the label. So thank you for watching this video. You're gonna enjoy my channel, like my video, and share my channel.